Hi everybody, so today I'm going to do a video on how I work on a pregnant woman and how chiropractic can help support pregnancy pretty much throughout your entire pregnancy. So we have women who come in who don't even know they're pregnant and go the entire 40 weeks of pregnancy and there's no contraindications. It's completely safe and effective to get adjusted throughout your whole pregnancy. So not only for mom, but for the growth and development of the baby. So this is Megan, she's my patient. She's gonna lay on my table, which is an awesome table for pregnant women because the belly pushes down and you can lay face down, which you can't do anywhere else when you're pregnant, right? So a lot of my pregnant women like the idea that they can lay face down on the table. So how have you been doing, Meg? How have the hips been, the lower back?
A little bit tight or loose or whatever.
Yeah, it just gets like most women who come to me have a lot of middle and lower back pain because the pelvis is expanding and you're releasing hormones that cause everything to loosen up. Typically what happens is the pelvis shifts out of alignment, the leg length becomes uneven, and she is. Can you see how Meg's left leg is definitely shorter than the right? So I'm gonna start by just kind of relaxing the muscles and my pregnant mamas love it. Well, everybody loves this because this is just a nice way to kind of relax before we get into the adjusting. And again, lying face down is so nice when you're 35 weeks pregnant, so that's a good thing too. The table does a lot of the work for me. So essentially what's gonna happen is the table is gonna lift up like this and drop down like this. I'm putting my hands where I want to adjust just to level out the pelvis. Good. One more. And then just working my way up through the spine just to release any what we call subluxations, misalignments, areas where there's nerve irritation. And then the table's gonna bend at the waist. So this is called flexion distraction. This is great for disc patients, for my arthritic patients, but for my pregnant patients, this is great too because a lot of the stress is in the lower back because the belly is pulling so far forward, kind of puts a lot more stress on the back and the hips. All right, now let's just check her leg length, make sure she evened out. Beautiful, and she did. So that's one of the ways, one of the adjustments that we do chiropractically to kind of level out the pelvis, take some of the stress off the nerves and the muscles of the lower back. If you're pregnant, come into us. Make sure you get your spine checked so that you can have a healthy and pain-free pregnancy through all 40 of the weeks. Okay, Dr. Jody signing off.